Oh my god.
You good?
Oh. I think we're at the top.
No way. Holy shit. No, that's on the top, right?
It is.
Oh, okay.
Shut up. You can see the water on us. We're in the way.
Oh shit!
Oh my god, bro. Dude, that's why I was looking at you. Dude, put the camera down, bro. It's
Wait,
not
no,
worth
this
it.
is fire. I'll be fine. I'm gonna use my hands anyways.
Oh my god, it's so good.
If you fall, you're gonna wipe me out too,
That's
right?
the hope.
We're going all the way down, bro.
Then move. And you're in action. Wow.
Đây anh ơi.
No, she didn't come. That's sick.
You're ready for high-low.
So behind you.
Sorry.
I'll do it all the way back down.
Ở đây không có sông.
Trời ơi, trời sao mưa. This is gorgeous. This is really pretty. I just want to check. Everyone should why is it all so well, I just need it to dry off. I just okay, he is pushing it. He's on the edge of the cliff. Heck no.
Right here.
It's pretty, but I ain't going that far.
Go.
You need a hot dog, Johnny. You on that water? Hot dog, Johnny. You the mouth.
Do you want a picture? You want a picture?
That's deep. I'm not going down there. I'm not going down
Yes,
there.
we are, bro. Come on.
I'm good, bro. I'm good. Y'all got that. I'll stay right here.
Alright.
What time is it?
11:30. 11:30ish.
It's not that bad.
No.
You got one
We were on the trail. We parked
I'm just
it.
going like that. We just
get
like
to the
be
trailhead
stable,
until-
okay? Okay. Okay. I eat Clinton.
See the water?
Wait, can you see the back? Like a full photo of me? Like not even full. It should be like half.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
No,
I'm
no,
sorry.
you're no worries.
Can you see me? From how it looks first. You look fine.
I'm all the way
No,
in.
like can you see the background? Yes, I can see the background. Okay.
I used to like when I was young, though. I used to love it.
Really just wing this. Did you let Pam know we got here safely?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, bro.
What? I know. Gracias. My exact
Dude, come on. Just come here.
Good? Mm-hmm.
Gotta love life, boys. Sir.
You good? Dude, I'm totally ready to jump in the lake.
Oh, where's this lake at, bro? It's looking wild.
It's deep?
Yeah.
Like, are we gonna get there or is like, it's on the way?
Yeah,
Oh, it's on the way.
It's on the way. We
Oh,
have to,
shit.
but like it's gonna be like
all the way
2 hours.
down, bro. What are they doing?
Yeah, no, that's just insane.
No. I think we will.
That's
Literally just on deep.
I know. I'm not doing that.
Wait, bro, there's no difference. If you fall here, you're gonna end up there. If you fall there, you're at least staying there.
I don't care, bro.
You guys hungry?
Huh?
You guys hungry?
You have food? What you have?
What food you got?
What you guys want?
Bring it out, bro. I'm excited. Should I turn on the speaker on the way back?
Actually, no.
Oh, wow. Wait, for real?
What the hell?
Holy shit.
What the fuck?
This
This
is
just made it all
fire.
worth it.
Yeah, thank you, man. This is
Thank
lit.
you, Murt.
I actually have to. This is lit. You have one for yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit.
Let's
Yo,
go.
This is why it's so heavy.
This is dumb. Well, surprised. When did you get this?
This morning.
On the way to pick me up?
Not before that.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Wow.
This is sick. This is lit.
Oh, look, dude. I can't believe this is life right now.